Right guys, obviously if you've seen a few of the other videos, I've recently bought Mark III Astra GSI. I put it down quite a bit in the last video, but looking over it properly, it's really not that bad, especially when you compare it to this other one I've just bought, which is its competitor back in the day, Ford Escort RS2000. Is it too far gone? Let's have a look. So here she is, 1991, on a J plate, RS2000, showing 78,000 on the clock. Whether that's 78 or 178, it's yet to be found out. Obviously, initial looking at the car, when you first glance, it's like, it's not bad for a Ford. Around the fuel cap area is very good. Arches seem good. So, closer inspection. She has had some work done, so you can see this under seal being put in there, but the question is, what is that hiding? So obviously someone's put a driver's sill on it. Yeah, they haven't, yeah, it's not even welded in. Get your nail in there. So obviously the door, that's knackered. Obviously someone's pulled open on the top here. Looks like there's a lot of filler in here. Just sill again. Someone must have been using a gasless welder or something. And now we've got screws holding it in there. And then that lovely bit of welding there. Let's check out these floors. Patchwork quilt. Not looking very impressive at all. And then I've noticed the seats are loose as well. So is that the fact that they're just not bolted down properly? Which, that one's loose, obviously. Just gonna have to see what the floor's like when we take the seat out. Generally, the seats, a good valet. They're in pretty damn good nick. Both sides. Door cards are all good, which is a bonus. Steering wheel. The steering wheel suggests it is 78,000 unless it's had another steering wheel put on. Obviously looking at the seats, the gear knob and all that, it would suggest low mileage. So obviously the bonnet pulls broke on it as well. Fortunately, someone has put Mark 6 wings on it, and again they're just screwed on, not welded. Someone's attempted to make the indicator holes round. Got the indicators missing, the little side lights they are in the car. Bonnet, first impressions, solid. Do think it is slightly a little bit bent maybe compared to one corner and the other. So engine, all seems complete. Seems like it's got an aftermarket exhaust system, decat, if they even had a cat. Overall battery tray is rusty, but solid at the same time. All the turrets look good. Sound panel looks good. Yeah, generally the cross members looking all in good condition. And again, bonnet wise, pretty good. I haven't had the engine running because there is bits being taken off it. So you've got the wrong wheels with the Escort GTI wheels, or Fiesta RS Turbo wheels, sorry. Again, passenger door damaged. Passenger rear arch initially good. But you can see here, starting to go down the bottom, and again wax oil. Sorry about the sun, guys. Wax oil all around there. So again, what is that hiding? Because we've clearly got a hole there, so why would you wax oil it without doing the welds? There's no brakes on this at all. A handbrake lever, it pulls up, but the ratchet mechanism doesn't work. So when we come to stop, I'll put it into gear to try and slow it down. Turns out there's no drive shafts with it, so gears didn't work, and then obviously put my foot on the brake and the brake pedal just went to the floor. Let's have a look underneath here. Oh, yeah, someone's wax oiled over, heavy rust again. Don't know what's going on with that rear beam. But again, chassis rails have been repaired. Yeah, I don't think there's much hope for it in all fairness. Okay, it's got a power flow exhaust system on it. Alright then, let's check out the passenger side, eh? As I said, the floors are in a right state, and obviously this seat is loose. Not because it's not bolted at all, because as you can see the bolt is in there, but the floor's gone. So I need to get all the interior right and check out the floor altogether. Roof lining looks very saggy, not very nice at all. In the back, I presume that's some form of decap pipe. We've got brand new shocks, discs, pads, good parcel shelf, wheel arch liner kit. In the boot we have got a brand new fuel tank, which I've not even bothered to open the boot yet with the key, because the catch by the driver's seat, that doesn't work. Then passenger sill, yeah, it's quite damaged. The floor, yeah, someone's made some attempt of doing something with it, but it's not looking brilliant under there at all. So what do you reckon then, guys? Do we save her, strip her, store her? Obviously trying to get the panels, I have searched the internet, and getting the floor pans for a start is a bit of a nightmare. So if anyone's got a link to any, would be nice to save it. Like I say, I'm not too fussed about the welding side. It would be nice to save. Let us know in the comments, guys, what you think. Any suggestions? Cheers.